In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to turn on Google Developer in Google Workspace. Whether you're a seasoned admin or new to managing your Google Workspace, this guide will help you unlock the capabilities you need. Let's get started with the process. First, head over to your Google Workspace dashboard. This is the central hub where you manage all the apps and services available to your organization. Once you're in, look for the option labeled Apps. Clicking on this will open up a list of services, but your focus should be on the section called Additional Google Services. Think of this as the playground for exploring and managing all those Google functionalities that aren't in the default set of tools. Here, you'll find a variety of applications that can significantly enhance your productivity and collaborative efforts. Now, before we proceed, it's crucial to ensure your account is verified. Verification in this context means that your admin settings grant you the authority to modify these services. Without this verification, you might miss out on some functionalities, like toggling certain apps on and off. So, check to see if you have a small box next to each app name. If you can see and select these boxes, you're all set to continue. Next, let's locate the Google Developer option within this list. It's usually nestled among other services. Don't rush. Scroll through the list carefully if needed. Once you find it, there's a small box adjacent to it. Simply tick this box. This action signifies your intention to enable the feature. But hold on, we're not done just yet. You need to ensure that the service is actually turned on. After you've ticked the box, there should be an on-screen prompt or toggle that allows you to switch the Google Developer feature on. Activating this option opens up a range of developer tools and resources that are instrumental in boosting innovation and technical integrations for your organization. These are especially beneficial if you need to create custom apps or scripts that communicate with Google's ecosystem for tailored business solutions. Alongside, enabling this feature equips developers in your team with the necessary infrastructure to test out their projects in a seamless, integrated environment. And there you have it. You've successfully turned on Google Developer in Google Workspace. Remember, changes might take a little while to propagate throughout Google's systems, so give it some time if things don't appear instantly. This newfound access can greatly enrich your organization's work environment, fostering an atmosphere ripe for creative and technological growth. Thank you for choosing to watch this tutorial. Explore the rest of our channel for more insights and tools to elevate your skills in managing your digital workspace. Until next time, happy exploring!